Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Dolls, I'm super excited today because I have been using this foundation lately and I absolutely love it. So I couldn't wait to come and share it with you dolls. And it is the Revlon Age Defying Foundation. So when I first put this on, when I purchased it the other day at Walgreens, I was so in shock at the effect. It was immediately glow inducing. It immediately gave a dewiness and a radiance and a natural kind of lit from within glow. So I was so happy because I actually did put it on when I was just running around and I was in the car and I just threw some on and I was just not feeling that great about myself, and I put this on and I was just like felt so much better about myself. It concealed my under eye circles and just gave me a really great glow. So I was super happy, and that's why I couldn't wait to come and share it with you guys today. So I'm just going to do a really quick demo just to show you guys how it applies and see, maybe you can see if it's for you. It is kind of a dewy finish, but it didn't wind up feeling oily throughout the day, and so I really think a lot of you guys would really love this. Even if you're not searching for age-defying ingredients, you'd be surprised. This reminded me exactly of a super high-end foundation like a La Mer or a NARS Sheer Glow or a Giorgio Armani foundation. So this is actually you know, it's really better than high-end because the price cannot be beat. And so it does have SPF. It's only SPF 20 though, and I personally like to wear SPF 50 or even higher. But let me get right into it, dolls, and I'm just gonna do a really quick demo. I did already do my eyebrows and I was just putting on a little bit of, you know, a little like a natural daytime kind of look. I did put on the IT Cosmetics CC cream already, which is very, very hydrating for me. So I do feel a little oily right now. But let me go ahead though. I did get the shade medium beige, which is a little bit tan for me, but you know, I do like to give myself a little bit of a glow. So you know how that is. Let me see here. So I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand. I'm gonna wet this is a Morphe sponge, so I'm gonna wet this with my Beauty Mist. I'm gonna really saturate this really good, but this was already dampened with tons of water. If you guys purchased this beauty sponge from Morphe, it's really good. At first I didn't like it because it was very hard and stiff, but then I realized if you really soak it really well under the water, it gets to be that nice kind of beauty blender or Real Techniques type of feeling. And then I'm just gonna press this into my skin. So I hope you can see this one just has such an amazing effect at covering my dark circles. It gives so much coverage and I just love the glow that it gives. That's what I really love about it. So I'm just gonna keep pushing it into my skin with this beauty sponge. So I feel like I'm just looking super dewy right now, and it is gonna dry down. This foundation does dry down and it does not leave you feeling dewy or greasy or anything like that, which is why I really like it, because I do not like feeling dewy or greasy, to be honest. Who does? But some people might. If you have really dry skin, you really, you know, of course you would love that hydrated feeling. So this is the foundation, guys. This is where we're at. What do you guys think? It's already, now see, I was really feeling very kind of greasy before, oily, and I feel like this actually, it feels better. It doesn't feel as heavy. Like I said, my face was feeling very oily before, and this already feels kind of like it's drying down matte. So it feels really good. If you told me it was absorbing the oil, I would believe it, because it just feels so much less oily now. My skin just feels so good. But this is really amazing. And so I'm just gonna pop on some concealer. I have been using my Revlon ColorStay concealer, which I absolutely love. It's very natural looking, yet it gives so much coverage and it doesn't slip and slide all over your face. It truly is like it says color stay. But I just love this so much, so I definitely wanted to show you how effective it is, and I hope you guys can see. I love this. Also feels very light in texture and weight, so it doesn't feel heavy on your skin. A little bit definitely goes a long way. I'm putting a little bit more on than you would probably have to for an everyday look. But this is just something I like to do for when I like to look a little bit more glam. But on an everyday look, you would just probably use half of this. Not even. You could use a very small amount. So I'm just going to spray my sponge again. Like I always, you know, I love to spray my sponge as much as possible. But here you go, guys. You can see how gorgeous is that. It melted right into my skin, and I really, wow. I'm really in shock at how amazing this concealer is. I love how it feels. I truly love how it feels, because it just feels very lightweight, but it gives so much coverage, and it doesn't feel like it's slipping inside all of your face, which is something I cannot stand. So I'm just taking some NYX powder, and I'm gonna use the same sponge. And normally I do use a brush to put this on, but today this is how I kind of do it on the go, because I don't always have all my brushes with me, and I am on the go right now, guys. So a lot of times if you're on the run, you can always kind of have a beauty blender in your makeup bag, right? They're so easy to just do. You can pretty much do a whole face with your beauty blender. So that's what we're doing today. This is like kind of like how I get ready in my car almost, basically, guys. This feels so much. I'm so happy, guys, because like I said, I was feeling so greasy before, and I was so grossed out. You could probably tell even when I came to come talk to you guys, my skin was so oily. So it was crazy. Guys, I gotta tell you, I got this brush at the drugstore, and can I tell you, I love this brush so much. It's from Real Techniques, but I have to warn you, it's an amazing brush, but you have to be careful, because there was a few times that I kind of like cut my face on the metal. Not cut it, but if you push too hard, you can kind of scratch your skin with it. I don't know if they're all like that, but if you know, just be careful. But because this brush is amazing, if you can get this brush, it's amazing. It's phenomenal. So I'm just taking it like that. So basically, you know what I used to do? I think I used to go back and forth back in the day, and now I just go one time, but then I repeat the layers like so. So you're just going outwards, and I just think that it's surprising. For some reason, it comes out so much better, I think. So I'm not going back and forth. I'm just going like so, like just down, and then go back to the top again. And I think that looks so, I just love the way it looks. So I really don't have a mirror here, guys, so hopefully this doesn't look too cray. And then, you know, just take some of your bronzer again, and you can just run it on your forehead and a little bit on your chin if you want. See, oh, I just kind of scratched myself with the edge of this. You have to be careful, but maybe they're not all like that. Maybe I got a bad one, but either way, I love this brush so much. And again, this is from Real Techniques. I think I got this at Walgreens. Now, I don't know if you guys are going to see this video in time. And then another thing I like to do, if you're on the, you know, get ready on the go, just grab some bronzer on a fluffy brush, and you could just put that in your crease. Guys, I wanted to tell you, I don't know if you're going to, hopefully I'll get this up in time for you guys, because tomorrow at Walgreens, they're having it today too, today and tomorrow, but I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this. Hopefully I'll have it up in time. But, they're having at Walgreens tomorrow is a special event, and it's like everything, all the beauty section is buy one get one half off. So, and then they're also giving like 7,000 points for beauty products. So 7,000 points could wind up to be quite a few dollars. I'm not sure how many dollars that is, but it could be a lot. Who knows? Who knows at Walgreens? It could be like $5, $10. But I'm just gonna pop on some blush. So like I said, guys, I just want, I'm so torn, because I'm so used to wanting to come and hang out and do like tons of makeup with you guys, but that's not, you know, that's not really realistic. And you know, this is like how I really do my makeup, you know. And like a lot of you guys, we don't always have time to do like, you know, the full contour and all that. So of course, I'm just gonna give myself another spritz of my Lippie Beauty Mist. It smells so good. And I think that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to show you this foundation, though. I've been loving it. I also do have on right now my Kiss Falscara lashes. Can I tell you, dolls, I love these so much, and I'm not even going to try to front with you guys. I'm not even going to try to lie. I've had these on since yesterday, and I just wanted to experiment and kind of see how long they would last, and I've had these on since yesterday. But what I did was I was really careful. I pretended I had like eyelash extensions from the salon. So if you guys have ever had eyelash extensions at the salon, you guys probably know, you know, they tell you to be really careful at removing your eye makeup and all that. So that's what I did. I was really careful cleaning my face. You know, I didn't soak my eyes or anything. I just wiped around and things like that. And these have been on since yesterday. So I think that's so amazing. And because I love them, and they're very natural looking, although there's a lot going on. You know, I don't know if you guys saw, I put them on in another video, and I was telling you guys that they look kind of natural. I don't, in real life, these do not. Not that they don't, they look natural, but they look like super amazing lashes that look like you have super amazing lashes naturally. So wow, that's what I'm wearing right now. And like I said, these have been on since yesterday. This is like 48 hours because it's the middle of the night now, guys. I think this is pretty much it. I mean, what do you guys think? I should put on a lip, right? And then, you know what, I'm just gonna do what I've been doing, guys. Now, I was wanting to tell you guys about this too. This is from Colourpop, and this is their Lippie Balm, and I cannot believe how amazing it is. Now, this isn't available at the drugstore, but I just really feel like this is the best drugstore chapstick kind of product I've ever used. So, you know, lip balm that I've ever used, because I actually, oh my god, I think I'm almost out. My lips get so chapped when I'm traveling, and I just use this every night. Oh my god, my lips, it feels so good. They're so hydrated. They're not chapped at all. I cannot believe it. This is like the first time that I've not had chapped lips, you know, when I'm traveling in the winter, and I've just been using this. I use it like every night. Oh my god, it's amazing. And I think I got there's different flavors, I believe. I think this is peach Bellini. Yeah, this is Bellini. No, not peach Bellini. Okay, this is just Bellini. And that's like $6 on the Colourpop website. So unfortunately, I don't think you can get it in store, but it is beyond phenomenal for, you know, keeping your lips hydrated and not chapped. My lips are not chapped. I can't believe it. And it feels so good. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't have any flavor or anything, you know, nothing. It's just not offensive in any way. So I cannot get enough of it. So this is the finished look. Let me know if you've tried this Revlon Age Defying foundation. I could not love this more. Like I said, I have been using it. I absolutely love it, love it, love it. I'm so happy. Anyway, guys, I hope you're having an amazing, wonderful day. Happy Valentine's Day. If we'll fingers crossed this is up for Valentine's Day, and I'm sure it will be. So I love you guys so much. Let me know if you've tried this foundation or your favorite drugstore foundation right now. I also have the Revlon Candid Glow, so let me know which one you prefer, this one or the Candid Glow. That's pretty much it, guys. So let me know too what you think about this best drugstore chapstick. Is this the best drugstore chapstick? It's hard to get in store though, guys, so but it's drugstore price, you know, it's $6. So that's pretty amazing. Best lip balm I've ever used, and mixes in amazing with your, you know, lipstick to make different looks. So anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. So I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. It helps me out so much. Also, don't forget, Alegra Chatty Beauty Mist is available on Amazon. It's all natural, cruelty-free, vegan, clean beauty, and smells amazing. Makes your makeup last longer and glowing skin. So it's all that and then some. So I love you guys so much. Again, I hope you're doing good, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. I love you.